From the students of the Department of Meteorology and Atmospheric Science, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Good morning, State College. I'm student meteorologist Josh Kobar, coming at you live with a look at Beaver Stadium right now. Currently, it's a little cloudy. We're looking at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Feels like 25. That's because of that wind north from 8 miles an hour. That's bringing it a little bit down, but the visibility is 10 miles, so at least we can kind of see a little bit distance. As we take a look at a little bit of a zoom out view, we can see across the board it's pretty similar. For the most part, we're hovering around that 32 range, a little bit above here in Williamsport and Selinsgrove, but also you can see in Johnstown 28. So for the most part, it's pretty similar. Real feels, though, everyone's kind of suffering. All the real feels are below freezing around here, and as you can see, we take a little bit more of a zoom out. It's pretty similar across the entire state. Philadelphia, it's a little bit warmer at 40 with the real feel of 34, but for the most part, it's pretty chilly out on a Monday morning. As you can see, the current conditions across the board, it's pretty cloudy. That's to be expected at this time of the year and in this state for the most part as well. But you can see there's a little bit of snow happening potentially in Pittsburgh, but everywhere else is just pretty much cloudy as of right now. You can see on the radar and satellite as well, a little bit of snow here or there, but you can see where the cloud cover is. A little bit northeast, you can see some snow, as well as some rain coming off of New Jersey. But for the most part, it is pretty dry out right now. You can see a little bit of a precipitation happening in Kentucky. You can see up in Halifax as well, there's a lot of snowfall there, but everywhere else is pretty quiet right now. And you can see on the future weather radar here, there's a little bit of front that's going to make its way down. In the future, you can see it Tuesday. A little bit of that snow is going to make its way down, but as you can see, it kind of it dies a little bit, but it continues going. Kind of in that West Virginia area, it seems like there's going to be a bit of snow that does build up. And some rain that goes through North and South Carolina for the most part. But after that, looking through Thursday, you can see not a whole lot going on Thursday into Friday. It's mostly just going to be overcast conditions across the board, a little bit of rain here or there, but not a whole lot to really speak of. Today, we're looking at a high of 39, so not terrible out. 39 is not too bad. Mostly cloudy, though. This overcast conditions will continue with wind about 10 to 15 miles an hour, which is a little breezy at times, but we'll make do. It was a look tonight, low of 28, mostly cloudy again, with winds still being at 5 to 10 miles an hour. But looking tomorrow, very similar. High of 38, once again, conditions will continue. Clouds remain overcast for the most part. Winds do change from north to southeast, so there you go, but still 5 to 10 miles an hour, still kind of breezy. And as we take a look at our 7-day forecast, you can see very similar things happening across the board. From Monday to Friday, we're pretty much looking at overcast skies. You can see 39, 38, 39, 40. A little bit of Thursday and Friday, when that front kind of makes its way through, we get a little bit of higher temperatures, but the lows for the most part hovering around the 30 range. And then as we take a look at our weekend, you can see a little bit warmer, well, not really warmer, but at least we get a bit of a sun, which is nice because pretty much the entire week will be under clouds. So a little bit of sun there, and Friday as well, we can get a little bit of showers and just get some difference going on. But for the most part, that's what we're looking at. And from the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm Josh Kobar. Have a great day.